Turning on this afternoon to the pandemic in Kansas, where the state's monthly positivity rate is sitting at 7.8%. It's the same rate we saw 9 months ago. And then in Missouri, 14.4% of tests are coming back positive. That is now 6% higher than where it was at the beginning of the month. The news just isn't good out of the University of Kansas Health System. The number of coronavirus patients continues to rise. Today, they have 60 patients. 33 are considered to have active infections, 12 are in the ICU, 6 are on ventilators. Meanwhile, 27 are recovering. It is important to note that only 3 that are hospitalized are vaccinated. And the chief medical officer at the hospital is mincing no words. Dr. Steven Stites says something needs to change. More people need to get vaccinated.
Yeah, we're past the tipping point. We're in trouble. And I think what we have to recognize is that Kansas City and Missouri and Kansas are now the epicenter of this wave of the outbreak, this third wave here in the United States. And because we're at the epicenter, what's happened is it's moved. It was in Springfield. It is close. It's clearly moved up north.
Here's a look at local vaccination rates. Johnson County, Kansas is above 50% fully vaccinated. Clay County is at 41%. Kansas City, Missouri, Jackson County, and Platte County are above 37%, and Wyandotte and Cass counties are at 32%. And Kansas City healthcare workers are trying to get those rates up by going door to door, and it seems to be working in a neighborhood near 12th and Euclid. A 12-year-old boy and his family got a vaccine and the protection that comes along with it.
It's good for us, so we don't get the COVID. So when she walks around places, she don't gotta be worried about anything else.
A mobile clinic made the trip that much easier for this family. Workers knocked on doors, answering questions and walking people over to get their shots. Still, though,
we're not being pushy about it. We're not persuading them or making them believe differently than what they do now. We're just having the conversation and educating them.
The Samuel U. Rogers Health Center is planning more door-to-door clinics. They also have vaccination clinics every Wednesday at the main campus at 8th and Euclid. And health officials in Missouri are planning ahead as coronavirus cases grow and more people need treatment for COVID. In the southern part of the state, leaders in Greene County are now scouting sites to potentially hold coronavirus patients while hospitals fill up. Well, they've chosen 2 hotels as possible spots. They say that they are preparing for the worst.
We have hit a record number of hospitalizations from COVID-19 in Greene County the last 3 days. And so it's obvious that the need for greater capacity is just going to continue to grow.
A combination of low vaccination rates and the Delta variant spread are being blamed for this surge in southern Missouri. Also, closer to home, the Cass County Health Department is hoping that more free vaccination clinics will boost their numbers. Volunteers gave out shots in Belton Wednesday afternoon. No appointments were necessary. Well, the health department's director says that since the Delta variant started spreading in earnest, they've seen more people wanting to get a vaccine.
I think that is what is prompting people to get vaccinated. They're also seeing more people that maybe they know that have gotten really sick with COVID. And I think just how many people they know that have gotten the shot.
Well, Cass County plans more clinics with dates and times you see there on your screen well into next month. Appointments are not required. You can make one if you'd like at the Cass County Health Department office. All right, well, hey, Sporting Kansas City is doing its part to bump up those vaccination numbers over in Wyandotte County. At last night's match against San Jose, any soccer fans ages 12 and up could get their vaccine right there at Children's Mercy Park. We talked to a woman who was hesitant about the shot up until last night when she says that she knew it was time to make the change.
Now I realize that this is real and it's happening really close to me. So I'm scared for my family, my kids, my husband, and everyone that is around me.
Sporting KC and the Unified Government will host another vaccination event Saturday, July 31st. Those who get vaccinated will also get a free Sporting KC scarf and have their name on a raffle for a game-worn jersey. So good incentives there. By the way, if you or somebody you know needs help finding a vaccine close to where you are, just head to KMBC.com. You'll find vaccines